Good morning, students. Today I am going to do some problems from the exercise 21A. Those who have textbook, open the textbook and do the problems. We can start. Question number 1. Prove that ck minus 1 by ck plus 1 is equal to 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Taking the LHS, ck minus 1 by ck plus 1. Ck is in its lowest term, we can write 1 by cos A minus 1 by 1 by cos A plus 1. Taking the LCM, 1 minus cos A by cos A by 1 plus cos A by cos A. Cos A cancel. Therefore, the result is 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. That is the RHS. Hence proved. Question number 2. Prove that 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to cosec A plus 1 by cosec A minus 1. Here, the LHS is in its lowest term. Therefore, you have to take the RHS. RHS is cosec A plus 1 by cosec A minus 1. That is, cosec A means 1 by sin A plus 1 by 1 by sin A minus 1. Here also the same procedure, taking the LCM, 1 plus sin A by sin A by 1 minus sin A by sin A. Sin A cancel, you will get 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. That is the LHS. Hence proved. Then third question, 1 by tan A plus cot A is equal to cos A sin A. I already told you sin A and cos A are the lowest terms in trigonometry. Therefore, here we can write this tan A as sin A by cos A plus cot A as cos A by sin A. That is 1 by, here from this denominator taking the LCM, cos A sin A. Then cross multiply sin A into sin A, sin square A plus cos A into cos A, cos square A. That is 1 by, what is sin square A plus cos square A? Yes, 1 by cos A sin A. Therefore, what is 1 by cos A sin A? That is cos A sin A. That is the RHS, hence proved. Then fourth question, tan A minus cot A equal to 1 minus 2 cos square A by sin A cos A. Here taking the LHS, that step is important. Taking the LHS, tan A minus cot A. How can you write tan A? In the previous step, tan A we write sin A by cos A, sin A by cos A minus cos A by sin A. If two fractions are there, the method is take the LCM. Sin A into sin A, sin square A minus cos A into cos A, cos square A by cos A sin A. Look here, but in the RHS, no sin square term, only cos square. Therefore, we can convert this first sin square as 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A by cos A sin A. That is 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A, 2 cos square A by cos A sin A. If the answer is in terms of sine, you have to convert this cos square as 1 minus sine square. Okay, then fifth problem. Sine raised to 4a minus cos raised to 4a equal to 2 sine square a minus 1. Right. Can you say what is a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4? A square plus b square into a square minus b square. Isn't it? Therefore, LHS, what is the LHS? Sine raised to 4a minus cos raised to 4a. We can write sine square a plus cos square a into sine square a minus cos square a. Can you say what is the result? Sine square a plus cos square a? Yes, very good. 1 into sine square a minus cos square a. But the answer is no cos square term. In the RHS, no cos square term. Therefore, sine square a minus of 1 minus sine square a. Then sine square a minus 1 plus sine square a. That implies 2 sine square a minus 1. That is the RHS. Okay. Then sixth problem. 1 minus tan a the whole square plus 1 plus tan a the whole square equal to 2c square a. What is a minus b the whole square? Always write that LHS. LHS, copy that LHS once again. 1 minus tan a the whole square is 1 minus 2 tan a plus tan square a. Plus, what is 1 plus tan a the whole square? 1 plus 2 tan a plus tan square a. A plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. Minus 2 tan a plus 2 tan a cancel. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus tan square a plus tan square a is 2 tan square a. From these two terms, you can take 2 outside. 2 into 1 plus tan square a. Can you say what is 1 plus tan square a? Yes, c square a. Look at the RHS. RHS is c square a. We proved that result. Now, seventh problem. Cosec raised to 4a minus cosec square a equal to cot square a plus cot raised to 4a plus cot square a. All of you look here. Cosec raised to 4a minus cosec square a is the LHS. From that you can take cosec square a outside. When you take cosec square a outside, you will get cosec square a minus 1. Isn't it? But the RHS is only cot. Therefore, we can write this cosec square a as 1 plus cot square a into cosec square a minus 1 is cot square a. Agree? Therefore, 1 into cot square a plus cot square a into cot square a, cot raised to 4a. That is the RHS. Okay. Ninth problem. Cosec a into 1 plus cos a into cosec a minus cot a equal to 1. Actually, you can put this question number 8. 8. Then, cosec a is same as 1 by sin a into 1 plus cos a. That is in its lowest term, no change. Into cosec a is again 1 by sin a minus what is cot a? Cot a is cos a by sin a. That is 1 by sin a into 1 plus cos a into here 2 fractions. Therefore, sin a is the LCM. 1 minus cos a. From this numerator, what is 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a? That is 1 minus cos square a plus b into a minus b. Sin a into sin a is sin square a. What is 1 minus cos square a? Yes, sin square a by sin square a is equal to 1. Then, ninth problem. Same type, ck into 1 minus sin a into ck plus tan a equal to 1. In the previous case, cosec we write 1 by sin A. Therefore, here ck is 1 by cos A into 1 minus sin A, no change. Here again we convert ck as 1 by cos A plus tan A as sin A by cos A. This is only LHS. That is 1 by cos A into 1 minus sin A into, what is the LCM? Yes, cos A is the LCM. 1 plus sin A. Now you can do by yourself, isn't it? 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A is 1 minus sin square A by cos A into cos A is cos A into cos A is cos square A. That is cos square A by cos square A is 1. Yes. Then write the next question. 10th question, same in order. 10th question, c square A plus cos square A equal to c square A into cos square A. Sec. What is the lowest term of sec? Yes, 1 by cos square A plus cos square A is 1 by sin square A. If two fractions are there, what is the method? Yes, take the LCM. Cos square A into sin square A. If the product is the LCM, means cross multiply. Sin square A plus cos square A. Can you say what is sin square A plus cos square A? 1. 1 by cos square A into sin square A. What is 1 by cos square A? Yes, c square A into 1 by sin square A, cos square A. Okay, then 11th problem. 1 plus tan square A into cot A by cos square A equal to tan A. Here also taking the LHS. Can you say what is 1 plus tan square A? Yes, c square A into cot A by cos square A. Only we change the first one. Then convert all the terms in lowest terms. C square A is same as 1 by cos square A into cot A is same as cos A by sin A into cos square. All of you look at the denominator. Cos square A is 1 by sin square A, means 1 by, that comes in the numerator. Cos A cancel, 1 sin A cancel. Therefore, sin A by cos A. What is the result? Sin A by cos A is, yes, tan A. 12th problem. Tan square A minus sin square A equal to tan square A into sin square A. Yes. How can you write tan square A? Yes, sin square A by cos square A minus sin square A. This is the LHS. From these two terms, you can take that sin square A outside. When you take sin square A outside, you will get 1 by cos square A minus 1. That is sin square A into, taking the LCM, 1 minus cos square A by cos square A. Agree? This is all simple maths. What is sin square A by cos square A? Look at the board. Sin square A by cos square A is tan square A into 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. That is the RHS. 13th question, same type. Cot square A minus cos square A is equal to cos square A into cot square A. Same type problem. How can you write cot square A? Cos square A by sin square A minus cos square A. Understand? From these two, cos square A is outside. Cos square A into 1 by sin square A minus 1. That is cos square A into 1 minus sin square A by sin square A. What is cos square A by sin square A? Look at the board, then only you can understand. Cos square A by sin square A is cot square A into 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. That is the RHS. 14th problem. Cosec A plus sin A into cosec A minus sin A is equal to cot square A plus cos square A. Right. Taking the LHS, what is cosec A plus sin A into cosec A minus sin A plus B into A minus B. LHS, cosec square A minus sin square A. Agree? Cosec square A minus sin square A. But the RHS, no cosec square A and sin square. Only cot and cos. How can you write cosec square? Cosec square A is same as 1 plus cot square A. Minus of sin square A is 1 minus cos square A. That is 1 plus cot square A minus 1 plus cos square A. What happened? Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Cot square A plus cos square A. That is the RHS. Okay. Then copy the 15th question. 15. Sec minus cos A into sec plus cos A is equal to, right, is equal to sin square A plus tan square A. Isn't it? Here also LHS is sec minus cos A into sec plus cos A is c square A minus cos square A. That is equal to c square A is same as 1 plus tan square A minus of 1 minus sin square A. That is 1 plus tan square A minus 1 plus sin square A. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. Tan square A plus sin square A. That is the RHS. Then 16th problem. Cos A plus sin A the whole square plus cos A minus sin A the whole square is equal to 2. Very simple problem. What is A plus B the whole square? LHS. A plus B the whole square is cos square A plus sin square A plus 2 sin A cos A. Plus second A minus B the whole square. Cos square A plus sin square A minus 2 sin A cos A. From that, plus 2 sin A cos A minus 2 sin A cos A cancel. What is sin square A plus cos square A or cos square A plus sin square A? 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. 17th question. Cosec A minus sin A into sec A minus cos A into tan A plus cot A equal to 1. How can you write cosec A? LHS. Cosec A is 1 by sin A minus sin A into sec A is 1 by cos A minus cos A into tan A. How can you write tan A? Yes, sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A. Yes, taking the LCM, 1 minus sin A into sin A, sin square A by sin A. Can put bracket. Second, 1 minus cos square A by cos A into, here when you take the LCM, cos A sin A into sin A, sin square A plus cos A into cos A, cos square A. Can you say what is 1 minus sin square A? Yes, cos square A by sin A into 1 minus cos square A is sin square A by cos A into sin square A plus cos square A, 1 by cos A sin A. 1 cos and cos cancel, sin and sin cancel, again cos, cos, sin, sin. All the term cancel, therefore the result is 1. 18th problem. Copy the 18th problem. Prove that 1 by ck plus tan A is ck minus tan A. Look here. If the LHS contains only one term or one fraction, take the conjugate of the denominator. What is ck plus tan A conjugate? Yes, ck minus tan A by ck minus tan A. Take the conjugate of the denominator. A plus B conjugate A minus B. Ck plus tan A conjugate Ck minus tan A by Ck minus tan A. 1 into Ck minus tan A is Ck minus tan A by. Here the denominator is always A plus B into A minus B. What is C square A minus tan square A? C square A minus tan square A is 1. Therefore, the result is Ck minus tan A. Then 19th problem, 1 by cosec minus cot A. Here also the same step. Cosec minus cot A. What is the conjugate? Yes, cosec plus cot A by cosec plus cot A. 1 into cosec plus cot A is cosec plus cot A by. One more step you have right. Cosec minus cot A into cosec plus cot A is cosec square A minus cot square A. What is the result? Cosec square A minus cot square A is 1. Therefore, the RHS is cosec plus cot A. Copy the 20th problem. LHS is ck minus tan A by ck plus tan A. I already told you, if the LHS contains only one fraction form, then take the conjugate ck minus tan A by ck minus tan A. Okay. Then A minus B into A minus B, we can write A minus B the whole square. Ck minus tan A the whole square by, here this is C square A minus tan square, right? C square A minus tan square. That the result is 1. Then what is A minus B the whole square? C square A minus 2ck tan A plus tan square A. But in the RHS, no C square term. Therefore, we can convert this C square as 1 plus tan square A minus 2ck tan A plus tan square A. 1 is there. Minus 2ck tan A is there. Plus tan square A is 2 tan square A. 21. Sin A plus cosec A the whole square plus cos A plus sec the whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Yes, in these questions, the method is taking the LHS A plus B the whole square. Sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 into sin A into cosec A. That is the expansion of the first term. Plus second expansion cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A into sec. All of you look at the board. What is this sin square A plus cos square A? When you take these two terms together, 1, isn't it? Plus, can you say what is 2 sin A into cosec A? Sin A and cosec A are reciprocal relations. Therefore, sin A into cosec A 1. Therefore, you will get here 2 into 1. Cos A into sec A is also 1. 2 into 1. 2 plus 2, 4 plus. Cosec square A we can write 1 plus cot square A. Plus c square A we can write 1 plus tan square A. Once again, sin square A plus cos square A 1, 2 sin A cosec A 2, 2 cos A sec A 2, therefore 1 plus 4 plus cosec square A. Here no cosec and sec term, only tan and cot. Therefore cosec square A is 1 plus cot square A, c square A is 1 plus tan square. Finally, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A. Okay, 21 problems. Study well. God bless you.